In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working on your iPhone after iOS 16 update. That is quite simple and easy to fix, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and from here go into Screen Time. Now, there, tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions and then tap on Allowed Apps. And here, if Siri and dictation feature is disabled, just hit at that switcher to enable this feature. Then you can go back to your settings and from here you can scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Now there you have to enable your Siri feature. In order to do that, just hit on this switcher just next to listen for Hey Siri, then tap on enable Siri, and if this feature was disabled on your device, now you have to set up it. So tap on enable Siri, then tap on continue. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And that's it. Now Siri is ready. You can hit done and then use Siri on your device as you normally do. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.